This video provides a strategy for helping to release a tight grip. So if you have a child who's very fisted and has a really tight grip and may have something in their hands that they need to release, a very easy trick is to simply have the hand palm down, okay, and very gently press at the wrist, because when you do that, the fingers will extend. So you can try this on yourself. Make a fist and then gently press on your wrist and feel that release in the hand. So doing that gentle press gives an automatic release. So if you need to get something out, or if you're practicing holding maybe a rattle or some type of a toy, you can do that release, put the object in, and then have them practice holding. So it's a really good trick to also facilitate some play with grasp and release. So again, very gentle pressure in the wrist, downward pressure with the palm down, and that will help to extend the fingers.